Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best 4K Car DVR in this video? I will show you the top 5 best 4K Car DVR to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 is new DDPAI Z90 Pro. Specifications: brand name, pay. Pixels 800 mega. Camera resolution 3840 by 2160. Display IPS. Aperture f1.75. Screen ratio 4:3. View angle 135 degrees. Max external memory 512 GB. Number of lenses 2. Imaging sensor Sony STARVIS 2 eMMC. Chipset manufacturer Silicon. Warranty 1 year. Number 4 is Wolfbox i07. Specifications: brand name Wolfbox. Pixels 1200 mega. Camera resolution 2880 by 2160. Display size 3-inch. Display IPS. Aperture f2.0. Screen ratio 16:9. View angle 170 degrees. Max external memory 128 GB. Number of lenses 2. Imaging sensor Sony IMX327. Battery built-in. Chipset manufacturer Silicon. Warranty 1 year. Weight 0.84 kilograms. As the item number 3, we've selected Wolfbox G840S. Specifications: brand name Wolfbox. Pixels 500 mega. Camera resolution 3840 by 2160. Imaging sensor Sony IMX335. Display IPS. Display size 12-inch. Aperture f1.5. Screen ratio 16:9. View angle 170 degrees. Max external memory 128 GB. Number of lenses 2. Battery built-in. Chipset manufacturer Silicon. Warranty 1 year. Weight 1.19 kilograms. Number 2 is Baseus VD1 Pro. Specifications: brand name Baseus. Camera resolution 3840 by 2160. Pixels 800 mega. Display size 3-inch. Display IPS. Aperture f2.0. Screen ratio 4:3. View angle 140 degrees. Max external memory 256 GB. Number of lenses 1. Imaging sensor Sony IMX335. Chipset manufacturer Novatech. Interface micro SD TF. On the top of our list at number 1 we have 70mm 4K dashcam. Specifications: brand name 70mm. Pixels 800 mega. Camera resolution 3840 by 2160. Display IPS. Display size 3-inch to 5. Aperture f1.7 plus 4G3P. Screen ratio 16:9. View angle 146 degrees. Max external memory 512 GB. Number of lenses 3. Imaging sensor Sony STARVIS 2 IMX678. Chipset manufacturer NT98530. Warranty 1 year. Weight 0.991 kilograms.